If you're running a sales or service-based business and your team is still operating from scattered notes, disconnected CRMs, sticky notes, missed calls, and employees asking the same questions every day, you are already losing to businesses using AI. And if you don't fix it now, your business could become irrelevant within the next 24 months. Here's the brutal truth. Every time, your sales team gives inconsistent answers, your service team forgets information, a lead waits too long, or a customer gets transferred 3 times, revenue dies. Top performing companies are moving faster because their teams are connected to one centralized AI brain, not 10 different systems, one. Imagine this. Every employee on your team instantly has access to every SOP, every customer answer, every sales process, every pricing structure, every objection response immediately. No confusion, no guessing, no, let me ask my manager. Your business finally operates like a real machine. Most sales and service businesses are drowning in operational chaos, and the owner becomes the bottleneck because all the important knowledge lives inside their head. That is not scalable. AI fixes this by centralizing your company knowledge into one automated assistant your entire team can use instantly. Consistency increases, stress decreases, clients get a better experience. Listen carefully. The businesses dominating over the next 5 years are not the businesses with the biggest teams. They're the businesses with the smartest systems. If your competitors implement AI first, they will respond faster, close faster, onboard faster, train faster, and scale faster, while your business struggles to keep up manually. My name is Anthony Thornton, one of 200 internationally certified AI automation experts. And if you want simple automations installed to run a more efficient and profitable business in less than 21 days without lifting a finger or adding staff, click to book a strategy call at anthonythorntonspeaks.com. We build AI-powered centralized business systems that give your sales and service team one shared brain, so your business scales faster, operates smarter, and stops leaking money daily. If you wait another year to implement AI into your business, you may spend the next 5 trying to catch up. Go now to myfreeaiaudit.com, book your strategy call at anthonythorntonspeaks.com. I'll walk you through how to fix this in 7 days. Join our upcoming free training, limited spots available. Click the link in the message and register now.